All right, YouTube family, I'm back once again. This is an update on my Toyota Tundra 2007 with the AC issues. I finally got everything put back together: the kick panels, wire harnesses, all the ventilation ducts. As you can tell, I got the control panel, climate control panel. I got it back installed. So everything's working fine. And it's lovely. Cause I was riding around for months with everything tore apart, trying to figure the problem out. I took a break. But today was the day I fixed the problem. Also, let's see. So, like I said once before, you know what I'm saying? I know I keep repeating myself, but once before, when I would turn on the ignition switch, turn on the AC, it would take like 45 seconds. 45 seconds for it to kick on. And all the air was being directed towards the defrost. All my air was flowing out of the defrost. Up at the top. So now everything's working fine. As soon as you turn the key switch on, I have it on high. Let's see. As you can hear, the air is blowing pretty good. Let's see. Let's have the defrost. This vents in the dash in the floor section. Let's see. I forgot to check my vents. Yeah. You even got vents back here. Air's blowing out of here. At the back of your apartment back here. Let's see. Yeah, I can feel the air blowing out of there. For the back seat section. Let's see. What else we got? For the floor and defrost. As you can hear it change. Boom. And the defrost. So everything's working fine. And smooth. Nice and smooth. That's what I like it. Let's see. Also, to synchronize your gears, if you decide to do this on your own, I went to All Data DIY. I have a membership with All Data DIY and .com, and let's see, and they have diagrams, on how to, if you want to overhaul or, take apart your ventilation box. It's just some of it, they show you how to remove your servos. Also, this is what I was telling you about. I had to synchronize the gears before you install it. Let's see. Here go another section right here. What I was telling you about, you have to rotate your levers and gears in right locations before you install your servo assembly, as it shows right here. But this is a nice little website. I use this all the time when I want to make before I make repairs. I look at schematics and diagrams and this and that. But once again, everything's working fine, as you can see, as you can hear. And just before it starts getting cold, so I will have all my climate control functions, the air, the heat, everything's working fine. So another job, another mission completed. Once again, this is Black Moses. If you have any questions, just hit me up in the comment section. If you want to, you can subscribe or share the videos that I've been posting. And once again, y'all take care, have a good night, God bless, peace and love.